stuffed air-fried avocado. Hi Rachel, it's Alexa, also known as your air fryer salad queen on TikTok. The next air-fried recipe is a little different, but very good. Stuffed air-fried avocado using egg and turkey bacon. So to start, we're going to cut our avocado right down the middle and see where the hole is from the pit. We're going to expand that hole just a little bit and scoop it out. So you're gonna have a little hole in your avocado because we're gonna put the egg in there and air fry it. Crack your egg in a measuring cup. We're gonna pour that in the avocado. So now I'm going to air fry my turkey bacon for about 3 to 4 minutes at 400. Then I'm gonna put it on top of the egg stuffed avocado. We're gonna pop her in the air fryer for about 5 minutes at 400. Once the stuffed avocado is done cooking in the air fryer, I would let it sit for just a couple of minutes. Add your sriracha and enjoy. Looks so good. The infamous TikTok air fryer salad. We're gonna drizzle some olive oil on top of our shaved Brussels sprouts to give it a little extra crisp in the air fryer. Now we're gonna pop the shaved Brussels sprouts in the air fryer at 400. Okay, it's been about 5 minutes. Oh, they're looking so good. Now we're gonna add our air fried Brussels sprouts into the bowl. And now I'm gonna add the chicken into the air fryer. I seasoned and marinated these with Caribbean jerk, paprika, salt and pepper, and a little bit of olive oil. I'm gonna pop it in for 10 minutes at 400. Oh yes, that looks perfect. So we're gonna go ahead and take this bad boy out. So now we're gonna cut up our chicken and put it on top of our air fried Brussels sprouts. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. And we're gonna add in the rest of our toppings. So we're gonna add onion, dates, of course the avocado, and the Parmesan cheese. Now we're just gonna toss it around a bit, get everything mixed well together before we add in the dressing. I'm just going to drizzle on top a little extra olive oil and a little balsamic glaze. And now the best part, gotta get a big bite. So good.